We shouldn't be allowed to talk this way. Disgusting talk. These people are disgusting. You are all so disgusting and ashamed for Malta. How stupid can you imagine children hearing this trash? How disgusting, and your swearing is disgusting. And why do you keep speaking in English? None of you are funny. This is when he had hair after swearing against Jesus Christ. He lost all his hair. Liktartning hamali. Liandrin fulis mashu hamali. No aktar na party. Linjuran sa pusi tohot min Kollkom. Kollkom. Matafush, yaman tomtane. Yous are all suck, very sick. All of them sick. This podcast is disgusting. Or not. Chiamin te void Dessaha dall'Ispirito Santo. In kollektar nis disgustanti maħmuġin u jaqli għad smajt u rajfajdi għad xi darba nintaqaw u nejdilkom kollox ġobaċkom jak you all makes me vomajt liktar nejn ħamali li għabrajt fil-u nisbax ju ħamali. All of them sick. This podcast is